Want to know more about FHA loans? You stay tuned. I got you covered. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Lynette Selby Real Estate. In today's video, we are going to discuss qualifying for FHA loans. So let's get started. An FHA loan is a type of government-backed mortgage loan that allows home buyers to purchase a home with fewer financial requirements. You may qualify for an FHA loan if you have a higher debt-to-income ratio or a lower credit score. You may even be able to get an FHA loan with a bankruptcy or other financial issues on your financial record. So FHA loans are backed by the Federal Housing Administration, which is an agency within the Department of Housing and Urban Development, also known as HUD. FHA loans are insured by the government, which means that this offers the lender some protection in the event that you default on your loan. So FHA loans are available with low down payment options and lower credit score requirements, but you'll have to pay mortgage insurance. There are certain requirements that you must meet in order to qualify for an FHA loan, and some of those major requirements are: number one, if you are using FHA financing, then the home that you're purchasing must be your primary residence. Number two, you must occupy the property within 60 days of closing. Number three, the home that you are purchasing must be appraised by an FHA approved appraiser. Number four is you must have an inspection performed on the home that you're purchasing, and that inspection report must meet minimum property standards. Number five is you must have a credit score of 500 or higher. So this one is a little tricky because the lender may have additional credit limit requirements that go on top of those FHA requirements. So some local lenders here in Greensboro require credit scores for 620 or higher for FHA loans. And number six is FHA loans require a minimum of 3.5% down payment for buyers with a credit score of 580 or higher, and 10% down for credit scores 500 to 579. But remember that that lender may have those additional credit limit requirements. So there are some additional conditions to qualify for FHA loans, and those are mortgage insurance. So you will have to pay mortgage insurance premiums for an FHA loan. Mortgage insurance is put into place to protect the FHA lender against losses, for example, if you default on your loan. In many cases, you will be required to pay mortgage insurance for the entire life of the FHA loan unless you've made a larger down payment of 10% or more. And in that case, the mortgage insurance will only be on the loan for about 11 years. So there's a maximum limit to what you can borrow for an FHA loan, and how much you can borrow depends on the county in which your potential home is located. So here in Guilford County, the maximum limit that you can borrow for an FHA loan is $420,000 for a single family home. So to review the mortgage limits for your state and county, you can visit the website, and I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below with that website information. So next we have FHA interest rates. So FHA interest rates, oh my gosh, that was a tongue twister, couldn't get it out. FHA interest rates are very comparable to conventional mortgages. And lastly, we have FHA income requirements. The good news about this type of loan is that they do not require a minimum or maximum income limit, which make this loan a really good option for home buyers. Just make sure that you have all of your documents in order. Your lender will want to verify your income, so you'll need your pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, and even bank statements. Your lender may ask for additional information in order to verify your income and your assets. So those are the requirements and just some general information about FHA loans. But to learn more about this type of loan, you can visit the website. And again, I'll make sure to link all of that in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode. If you have any questions for me, you guys know how to reach me. Just leave me a comment below and I will get right back with you. And remember, if this is the type of content that you like, it might be a good idea to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will never, ever, ever miss one of my uploads. But until next week, I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I will see you guys later. You take care. Bye-bye.